All right, we're in here working on our ship spoon, and this is one serious hunk of wood, but we're making a lot of progress now. And these are like your anchor links, and been digging out the spoon bowl, and now we're gonna do the anchor itself. But it is hot. Oh my goodness, it is hot. It's supposed to, I don't know, be like 100 degrees, something like that, but it's really overcast, so it kind of tells me we're probably gonna get us a good little storm. So anyway, before we get started, we're going to have ourselves a cup of Firehouse Roast from Pine and Steel Coffee Company, and we're going to give this a nice brew, and we're going to have ourselves a nice cup of coffee. All right, so let's get ready. We're up in by the air conditioner, so we're going to get away from it here. And yesterday's, no, 3 days ago, we had that really bad storm, and it sent us all sorts of wood that we're going to make coffee scoops out of and stuff. And I'm not sure what this is because it came from afar. I don't even have a tree that looks like that, but my goodness, 71 mile an hour wind gust, and there's like 34,000 people without power. But everything's getting back to normal. So anyway, let's go have that coffee. All right, I have come in the house, and we're going to take ourselves a little coffee break, and there is the Firehouse Roast from Pine and Steel Coffee Company. The aroma is just absolutely beautiful, man. Let's see if we can get it. Kind of hard to tell, but it's really rich, dark color. The aroma is like amazing. All right, let's take a taste. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's outstanding. And once again, that is the Firehouse Roast from Pine and Steel Coffee Company. Well, coffee break is over with, and like I said, we had that bad storm 2 days ago, 3 days ago. You can see what I just noticed. See how the gutter is bent down? So I'm going to have to get up there and do some stuff. Huh. Oh well. Always something. All right, we're working on our ship spoon here. And getting those links down. Now we're dropping all this bulk through here, and then we'll keep on progressing past here and get the anchor thing done. Got a boat ton of things to do. It's gonna be I don't know, right at 100 degrees today, so it kind of slows things down a good bit. Yeah, this is probably a project that should have been tackled when it was cold or cool, but because it takes a lot of time to get these things like anchor links and everything all done in and stuff. All right, broke out the old big tool, the Groundwell 4300, and we're gonna round all the stuff off here, and it isn't gonna be much longer. We're gonna knock off because it's getting up there about 98 degrees. Yeah, we're getting there. I wish it would cool down though, man. Good grief. It's just plain terrible hot out here. Well, it looks like another thunderstorm trying to get going, but I don't know. We'll see. It is hot out here. Oh my goodness, it's hot out here. Alright, working on our little chipped spoon here, and your anchor links. Okay, here's that flat space that we've been wanting to hold back and then reserve for the anchor assembly. Alright, the outer part, the inner part, here's the main thing that connects it to this, and then we might do an old crossbar or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. And this is really powerful storms are forecast to be in the area here in a little bit, so we'll do what we can and stuff. Hope everybody has a great day, and we'll bring you back here shortly.